Good day, young man. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're changing the oil in the Chevy Express, and I wanted to show you how easily and quickly you can reset the oil life or oil change light yourself and save a little bit of money. So let's get right up in this. Okay, there are a couple of different ways to reset the oil life monitor, and in this section, I'll show you what I think is the easiest way. So let's get right to work. Step 1. Turn the key on without starting the engine. Step 2. Pump the gas pedal right down 3 times within 5 seconds, and you're done. This should reset your oil life, and you'll be ready to go, but if it's not reset, you can repeat it or try the next one. Now, I'll show you how to reset the oil life if your Chevy Express has a DIC button on the instrument panel. So here's how you're doing it. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press on the car info button, and you're going to cycle through it until you see your percentage of oil life on the screen. Step 3. Hold the checkmark button down for a few seconds, and then you'll see the oil life change to 100%, and you're done. So that's how easy it is to reset the oil life. I hope it helps you because that's what I'm here for. If you enjoyed this video and if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tutorials. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.